What is up, everybody? It's Jeremy with Tennessee Tactical One. Today we're going to talk about a cheap way to protect your ammunition long term. Here we've got some 30 cal plastic ammo boxes. Coming in under $6. These cases are perfect. When you're buying the boxes, check to make sure it has that rubber gasket. Label each box. You're going to need just, 10 or 15 packs of silica gel, the desiccant. This is easy to get. If you know anybody in retail, they have this stuff all the time. So, real affordable, sometimes free. Simply put the silica gel packets in with your different calibers of ammunition. Doesn't matter. Just toss it in there and forget about it. This is going to protect your investment. Then you just put them up in a good gun safe or a reliable gun locker. Safety first. All right, everybody. I hope this helped. A good, cheap way to protect your investment. Stay prepared, and God bless you.